Let us summarize all the data transfer group instruction. The first instruction is move R2 to R1. The data from general purpose register R2 is transferred to R1. 1 byte instruction, only registers are used, addressing mode is register. Second, move M to R. Transfer the data from memory to register R. Letter M is there, the number in HL register pair represents the memory. When register pair represents the memory, addressing mode is register indirect, and here format is given. Here the format is given. Okay. Next, move R to M. The number from register is transferred to memory. Again here HL register pair gives the memory, therefore addressing mode is register. Number from register is transferred to memory and memory is given by HL register pair. MVIR data 8, this is 2 byte instruction. Addressing mode is immediate. The second byte of the instruction is transferred to register R. When byte 2 of the instruction represents data, it is immediate addressing mode. Next, MVIM data 8. The second byte of the instruction is data, therefore immediate, and that number is to be transferred to memory location, and memory location is given by HL register pair, therefore addressing mode is register indirect. LXI RP, this is 16, LXI RP data 16, this is 3 byte instruction. First byte is operation code, second byte that is low order data, third byte high order data. Second byte goes to low order register of register pair, third byte goes to high order register of register pair. LDA address, LDA means load accumulator, address. Second and third byte of the instruction represents the address, therefore addressing mode is direct. The number from memory location is transferred to accumulator. Next, STA, S means store. The meaning of S is store. Store content of accumulator to memory location, and that memory location is given by second and third byte of the instruction, therefore addressing mode is direct. Next, load H and L direct. Load means to bring the data. Where to bring the data? To register H and register L. From the where the data is to be brought, second and third byte of the instruction gives the address. From that address, from that memory, bring the data to register L, and from next consecutive memory, bring the data to register H. Second and third byte of the instruction gives the memory, therefore direct. Next, SHLD, store content of H and L direct. It means second and third byte of the instruction gives memory, therefore addressing mode direct. The number from register L goes to memory location given by second and third byte, and number from register H goes to next consecutive memory location. LDAXRP, L means load accumulator from memory location, and memory location is given by register pair. As memory location is given by register pair, the addressing mode is register indirect. Here only we can use BC and DE register pair. STAXRP, S means store accumulator to memory location given by register pair. Register pair gives the memory, therefore addressing mode is register indirect. And XCHG, content from H is transferred to D and content from D transferred to H. Similarly, L is transferred to E and E is transferred to H. All these about the data transfer group instruction. Some differentiation or some specific instructions are used for specific purpose that I will tell you. Generally, LXI, here LXI RP is used to point the memory location when the letter M is used. First you have to take the data to register pair, and after taking the data to register pair, that register pair can be used to point the memory location. Then MVI instruction, MVI R data, this instruction is used to initialize the content of register. It is used to initialize the content of register. How these instructions are used in a program, that part will learn after completion of all type of instructions.